What do you want, Rocco? Huh? What do you want? What? What? Tell me. Rocco, what do you want? Tell me. You want some cheese? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. What? You want cheese? Okay, come on. You know where it's at? Is this what you want? Baby, do you want some cheese? Opening cheese with one hand's kind of hard. Okay, Rocco, we don't just give away cheese in this house. You have to earn it. Shake. Shake. Good boy. Shake. No, the other hand. Good boy. Lay down. No, down. Good boy. Come up here. Sit. Now tell me. Tell me. Rocco, tell me. Quit staring at it in mesmeration. You want it? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me. Tell me bigger. Tell me bigger. Tell me bigger. Tell me bigger. Come in. Tell me. Tell me. Good boy.